can be financially secure.
Here in downtown Tampa, everything's coming up lightning. Bolts fans hoping for
a win, of course.
And with all the excitement comes,
let's go Bolts,
a little high-tech cell phone fun.
Go Bolts, be the Thunder.
Take a look at the new lightning filters on the app Snapchat.
I think it's pretty cool.
In fact, Visit Tampa Bay just added this one today. Okay, we've gotten the filter to work. Let's go find some fans. So we went around the city.
Are you going to use this app? Are you going to use this filter?
Heck yeah.
And we let lightning diehards show their love.
Lots of goals. Woo! Go Lightning!
And of course, we got the trash talking.
Penguins ain't got nothing. This is our house. Go Bulls!
Then we went to Visit Tampa Bay.
You know what you're going to say?
Yeah, of course I do.
And with a quick lesson, we got a reluctant CEO to get in on the action too.
Bolts win in 5 games.
A fun way to get the blood pumping before the big game. And fans say it works.
Definitely does. It's awesome.
In Tampa,
Win!
I'm Dahlia Dangerfield, Bay News 9.